EcoFlow is excited to introduce Delta, the world's strongest battery generator. Delta is a landmark of both design and function, bringing you the most power, the fastest recharge, and peace of mind in any situation with no gas and no noise. The unit packs a massive 1,300 watt-hours, finally a battery that can truly be a home generator. Stay powered for hours and hours with a wide range of devices and tools, anytime and anywhere. Delta packs so much power, you can even use it as an emergency backup for your electric vehicle, giving you up to 7.5 extra miles on a single charge. In the case of a blackout, leave your worries at the door. With an output of 1,800 watts, Delta meets the standard of any wall outlet, so you'll always feel right at home. With Delta, you're never away from work for too long. Delta has the fastest recharge rate on the market. Recharge from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. Delta is both compact and lightweight. No matter where you go, you will never be slowed down by the heavy load of a gas generator. Plus, without a gas motor, Delta is silent and maintenance-free. Delta provides all the power with none of the noise or carbon emissions, so you can enjoy the clean air and the peace and quiet of your own home. The new user interface is highly intuitive and provides the most important details for you to monitor your power use and safety. Delta's system includes 4 regular USB ports, 2 60-watt USB-C ports, plus 4 wall outlets on the International Edition and 6 wall outlets on the American Edition. You'll have every option you'll ever need, all on one portable generator. Delta isn't just powerful, it's as rugged as any tool in the shed. The unit is reinforced with an aluminum chassis that protects the battery pack inside. And with strong rubber padding built into the outer shell, you never have to be concerned when the going gets rough. Eliminate your carbon footprint completely with EcoFlow solar panels. You can chain your panels together, bringing Delta back to full charge in just 4 hours of perfect sunlight. From home energy storage to electric vehicles to mobile power, the whole world is moving to batteries. So ditch the old generator. No gas, no noise, no maintenance. EcoFlow's Delta is the new standard of battery generators. For your family, for your work, for you.